Welcome to the project demonstration of gesture vocalizer. Nothing but we are going to send the voice commands from our gestures using the flex sensors to our PIC microcontroller. The microcontroller will read the input data from the sensors and send the voice commands same through this voice circuits, that is API 3383 voice module, and the particular voice will be announced to the speaker. So here API nothing but audio playback recorder. We have already predefinedly recorded some voices. So in our project we are demonstrating with 7 voices plus one is a welcome message. This module can record up to 8 voices and up to 2 to 3 seconds of duration. And here we interface this flex sensors. The flex sensor purpose is it will detect the folding percentage. So how much of folding was done. So this particular signal will be converted into the resistance, and so based on the resistance we are going to provide the analog voltage. So whenever the resistance is increasing, the voltage will be dropped at the particular pins of our PIC16F72 microcontroller. So that is 3 flex sensors are connected to this A0, A1, A2 pins of our PIC16F72 microcontroller, which is the analog input pins. And based on the input signals, input voltage levels, we are going to convert that particular combination of 3 inputs to the 8 combinations. So in that one, so this is the 8th combinations, all are open. This is the 8th combination, is the rest mode. So after that, so as we know that 3 inputs are nothing but 3 bits are converted into the 8 bits of data. So that is a 1 001 and 010 and 011 and 100 and 101 and 110 and 111. So there are the combinations. We are going to announce the voices from this voice module which was connected at B0 to B7 of our same microcontroller, and it needs the power supply of 5 volts. And the whole system work under the 5 volts power supply. So from this adapter we are going to provide the 230 volts input, and output of this adapter is going to be the 5 volts constant regulated power supply. So once we provide the 5 volts power supply to the system, it start reading input from the input modules of this flex sensors, as well as the output is going to be the voice module. So coming to this 28 pin motherboard. So this one is a reset switch, and this one is a crystal oscillator of 20 megahertz, and this is a capacitor. So while we are working, if is there any back EMF generated, so the capacitor will provide the neutralize the ripples. And these 5 pins are the programming pins. So just by connecting the PIC2 software hardware module to this, and we are going to load the Xcode into our microcontroller. And this one is the power LED indication, and this one is a program LED indication. When we switch on the kit, the light will be on, it's a power indication, and this light will be on and off 2 times. It's indicated as a program start executed. So just before demonstrating this project, just mount this gloves on your hand and keep it in a rest mode. So in order to get any other voices, and mount it properly till the end, and just provide the power supply to this adapter. So then welcome to the project is a welcome message from this voice module and from the kit. So now, so as we know that 001. I need to go out. So all will be closed. So these are the 8 combinations of voices which we are going to announce from our kit. So for if you want to increase the voices, just we need to increase the flex sensors, and also we can add the MEM sensor in further implementation. Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you for watching demo.